Hello fellow crafters, welcome back to my channel Creatively Purple. I'm Carolyn and today I've got a treat for you guys because we're going to be doing a craft and it's going to be Disney pin canvases and our theme will be Pluto and Goofy. For this project you're going to need paper, paint, painter's tape, brushes, 2 8x10 canvases or any size you like. All right, now that the paint is dried, here's Pluto and Goofy. Last part is to add our pins. Okay. So, I got these pins from the movie club website. Ooh, hard to, there we go. Okay, there's one. So I have Sleeping Beauty. I have Wreck-It Ralph. Wreck-It Ralph Breaks the Internet. And then I have Bunny and Ducky. And of course, Coco as well. Ooh, this one's really caked on there. It just doesn't want to come off. There we go. All right. And then we have Coco. Let's open him up. All right. I think I'll put Coco on Pluto. And I'll put Ralph Breaks the Internet and Toy Story and then Sleeping Beauty. All right, so this is how I display my pins at home. I'd like to know how you guys display your pins at home. Go ahead and comment below and share your projects. Who knows, it might inspire me to do something similar on my Disney wall. I will show you guys my Disney wall in just a moment. I'm just going to apply the backings. All right, so there is Goofy and Pluto. So I'm going to pause this real quick and show you guys my Disney wall with my other pin canvases that I've already completed. Okay, so this is my Disney wall. It is a tall wall, so it goes all the way up. So at the top there, I have our magic bands, and it says, "We didn't realize we were making memories. We just knew we were having fun." And then right to the right of that, I have a Beauty and the Beast clock. And then to the right of that, I have our family silhouettes. And then I have our Mickey and Minnie hats from our very first trip. And then I have the word dream, and each letter is themed to a different movie. So we have Cinderella, we have Beauty and the Beast, Alice in Wonderland, Little Mermaid, and then 101 Dalmatians. And then those are my gorgeous little girls. And in the center of them, I do have a shadow box where I do plan to fill with little things that we've gotten as souvenirs throughout our last 3 trips. And I actually have a few of them on the canvas here. So I have like our first visit pin, and then the wishing star, and some other little cute things. So that will be going in that. And then I also have this canvas here in the center of my pins where I'm planning on putting like, it's not house rules, but it's something similar where it's like, in this house we do Disney. And so I got a bunch of little quotes from each movie, and I will be using vinyl to apply onto it and create that. So if you guys are interested in seeing the shadow box project and in this house we do Disney project, just comment below and I will definitely make a video for that. So yeah, gosh, my pins look so good. I just love my Mickey, Minnie, Donald, Daisy, and now I have Goofy and Pluto. Yeah, with that said, I hope you enjoyed this video.